So I made a few purchases. REPHR brushes had a really huge sale on their website, so I didn't have any brushes from their brand, so I took advantage of the sale and got a total of 8 brushes. I had opened the package. I thought I was recording and I had opened the package already, but this is the package that it came in, and it all came nicely individually wrapped in this box. So I got the Core Eye Trio, the new eye bundle, and brush number 4. That's a total of 8 brushes. This is the brush number 4. They're handcrafted, so they're, you know, it's really nice, really sturdy. I've heard really good things about this brand, so I'm really excited to try. And let me just take them all out and show them together, because I don't want to dedicate so much time on just brushes. So, and there's like a really small tiny one that I am really curious about. It came out of a set, but it's really tiny, which is perfect for like eyeliner or for wings whenever I learn how to do wings. So here are the 8 brushes. They're really pretty, really simple looking. At least the handle is really simple, just black, sleek, this black matte. So this is the number 4. It's like for highlighting, like a face brush. And then we have the number 3, which is like the little tiny, the small one for like the inner corner of your eyes, for the small areas of your eyes. This one's the number 29 for like eyelining. And then I have the number 27, which is like a crease brush, diffusing brush. Then I have a more compact brush. This is the number 1. And then I have another pointy one, but a little bit bigger, the number 26. And then I have the number 2 and the number 28, which are also for applying like eyeshadow. So it's really nice. I'm really happy I got these, and they're really soft, really soft, very nice. So I'll put this box aside right here, and I'm gonna open my next box. This is a small one. I don't remember where this came from. So this one as well was a sale. BioSSANCE, I love their face oil and their rose balm. I love it. I use it almost every night. I really do. I really like it. So they had a sale on the rose oil, lip oil, and also they had I also got the SPF because it was also on sale. So let me show you. I don't remember if the samples was like a new thing, free of purchase with the sale, or it's something that will come up with any purchase. I don't remember that part. But here is the oil. I'm sorry, the SPF. It says it is the Squalane and Zinc Sheer Mineral Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 30, which is really cool. And let me show you the bottle. It's really pretty. I remember seeing online. I love the color. It's really pretty. Like that aqua, that teal color. Really nice. Let me see if it has any fragrance. Just a little, like a scent, not a fragrance. A scent of like clean soap. It smells really nice. I like that. It's not fragrant. Okay, so I also ordered the BioSSANCE Squalane and Rose Vegan Lip Balm. And the free items that I got the Squalane and Lactic Acid Resurfacing Night Serum. That sounds really good. And I also got the Squalane and Marine Algae Eye Cream. Cool. And I also got the Squalane and Probiotic Gel Moisturizer. So that is really nice. Really nice. I like this brand. Is really good. It's really nice. So let's see what else I got. I'm gonna clear this up just a little bit. Okay, so this next big box, I know what this is. Mcgrath had a sale as well, and you know that her motherships are a little bit, you know, they're like the expensive pants. So I decided it was take advantage of the sale and get one of their palettes. I like these boxes that have like that perforated thing. You just rip it out. It's a really big box, but I didn't get that many items. I do own the Mothership 7. Really nice shimmers. Really nice. But I was always also very curious about the Mothership number 4. This is the packaging if you haven't seen it. It's one of her big palettes. They both look very similar, all the motherships. Mine's dirty with all my fingerprints. And then here is with a gold lettering. And the shades are in a separate card. Huge mirror. Kind of like jeweled. Cut like a jewel. Very nice. Really pretty. This huge pan. And those shades are just gorgeous. Let me read out the name. Hopefully I'll get them. Yeah, they're in order. So From the top, from left to right, Gold Standard, Inferno, Blue Blood, Sinful, and Underworld. And the bottom I have Sterling, Lapis Luxury, Divine Mink, Hedonistic, and Enigma. I'm not gonna swatch anything today because I am thinking of doing a dedicated video of this palette and compare it to the Mothership number 7 to see, you know, if I could do a look with both palettes. If that's something you guys are interested in watching and seeing, then let me know in the comments below and I'll definitely put it together for you guys. It's really heavy, really sturdy, and I really like it. And I just gotta say, this shade right here and these two are calling my name, and this is really, really interesting. When you look at it in the camera, when you look at it up front, it's one color, but when you twist it is another. Like in the camera, this looks like a hot pink. That's what I see. But for me, in person, it looks like on the side, it's like an orange. But they do definitely have a shift to it, and it's really, really, really pretty. Really nice. Very excited to try this out. And I also got Mimi. I've been eyeing this forever. They had it in Sephora. They had it, even in her website, they had it on sale, but I never got around it, and I finally did. I like the packaging with all these little glitters. I'm gonna put it aside for my stepdaughter so she could play with them. It's called the Accessory Sublime Eyeshadow Palette. Those are one of the smaller ones, and it's just a plastic covering. These are good like for traveling, although there's a lot of empty space, more shadows will fit in, but this is fine for traveling. It is perfect. It's beautiful, really nice shimmers. Maybe I could swatch these. Ooh, the one in the middle is like so soft, so creamy. It's beautiful. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry, I just love shimmers. Like, shimmers are my jam. I'm not the best watching in the world, but you get the idea. They're just beautiful. Look at that gold. Wow, wow. Those two in the middle are like, whoa. Oh my god, that is so pretty. And they were like 19 bucks, like really, really good price. So I don't know if the sale is still on. I think it is as the time I'm filming this video. So if you do get a chance, I have a link, all the links down below, so check it out and you'll get it at a really good price because this is a really good palette. So the next thing I got from Pat McGrath is just one lipstick. It is the Blitztrance lipstick. I'm not a huge fan of her matte lipsticks. I kept one because it was a nice red and I have it there in my collection, but this formula is a little bit different than the one I used to have. It's a beautiful packaging with her emblematic lips. Yeah, it's a little bit like stuck, but that's fine. I could work around it. I did get it on sale, so look at that color, how pretty it is. It doesn't smell like anything, like, because I was gonna see maybe it was old, but it's not, and it looks still really pretty. Let me swatch it. Oh, it's a really nice blue red. And it's not matte. Like, it probably dries matte, but right now it's like a satin finish, which is my favorite formula. That's why I got this one, because I do have, let me see if I reach out to it. I kept it for collection purposes. This one is probably like old already, I don't know. Also number 2, it's a matte trance. Yeah, it smells fine, but it's like really matte, like really matte. I never reach for it. Let me show you again. I went too fast. I never reach for this. It's a beautiful shade, but this one, but it's so drying on my lips. And this is the one I got today, which is a little bit more shimmer. It's more like a blue red, and this one is a orange red, which is my favorite. I love red oranges, like the one I have on now. But yeah, but it's too drying for my lips, so I kept it. Maybe I'll put it one day with some lip gloss on top or something, and then we could work around that. So that is for Pat McGrath. That's what I got from the Pat McGrath website on her really nice sale. Really happy to get that. And finally, one more box, another sale. This is a haul with sales. Let me try to make space because it's a bigger box. Okay, so there was another sale on the SISLEY-PARIS website. I decided to take advantage of it. So I placed an order with my contact in the Las Vegas store, and I asked her for, you know, a couple of things, and I also got a few samples. Well, I'm assuming I got samples, so let's see. Hopefully, I'm gonna open it up, and I opened it upside down, but hopefully I didn't mess up anything. No, I don't think I did. So it all comes in a big box, but then inside the box there's another box, and it's just so pretty. Look at that, how pretty. And their iconic symbol, the orchid. It's just gorgeous. So I didn't need my scissors. And again, I really admire this box. It's so pretty. So let's open it up. I ordered the mascara, the So Stretch Lengthening Fortifying Mascara. It comes in a really cool blue box. It is in the shade Deep Black. I'm not gonna open it or anything, but this is how it looks like. I'm not gonna open it just yet, but definitely it will come up in a future video, so stay tuned for that. And I also ordered a lipstick from it's SISLEY-PARIS. It's Le Fito Rouge Long Lasting Hydration in the shade 28 Rose Shanghai. This is the packaging. Red, really nice red. I love red. It's one of my favorite colors. Oh, this is so pretty. It comes in a nice velvet pouch. And this is the lipstick, very animalistic, and it's just a flip up, and it is magnetic. I like magnetic lipsticks, they're so cool. And it's probably a red, because yeah, of course it's a red. Look how pretty, so pretty. I don't detect a scent, and I'm gonna swipe it right next to the, it came a little bit messed up on the corner. But it was just probably me right now. I'm not sure, but it came a little bit messed up in the corner. Let me swatch it behind the back of my hand. You could have 1,000 red lipsticks and they'll all look different. Look at this, is the one from SISLEY-PARIS. It's less red, it's more peachy, I would say. More orange, more coral, it's just fine. It's beautiful. Gorgeous. I'm gonna do a video. I'm gonna use this in a future video for sure. You let me know if any of the products that you see today, which one you're more interested in, and I'll definitely include it in a video just for you guys. I just get so much makeup and products, and either gifted or purchased, so I can not always do all my makeup in my videos. I have to, you know, choose wisely, or choose which I think is better from my viewers, for you guys. So if there's anything in particular that you want to see, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll definitely take into consideration. Okay, so I do these videos for you guys as well, so let me know what you guys think. So those were my the samples. The samples all came individually wrapped. I bet it's skincare, because I know Sisley has really nice skincare as well, which I am very curious to try. They all came really nicely packed. That's really cool. I got a bunch of little samples. A black rose eye contour. I got a black rose skin infusion cream. I got a express flower gel hydrating and toning mask. Ooh, and a perfume. I've had this. I've heard about this perfume. Was it Michelle Wong who mentioned it? I think it was. I think she mentioned in her favorites. Isia La Nuit. I think it's pronounced Isia. Isia La Nuit. It looks blue in the camera, but oh yeah, it is blue. It just looks darker where I'm at. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. It is definitely different. It's nothing like I smelled before. It's a mix between, I don't want to say it and sound negative, because it smells good, but it's not a fragrance that I would normally buy or reach for, because it's something I've never smelled before. It is definitely unique. It has, every time I sniff it, it's a different scent. This is so odd. This is so weird. At first, it gave me like a sniff, like a really, really fast sniff of like a cigar, but that dissipated really fast. It says in the Nordstrom website that it's a sophisticated and modern, combines fruity and colorful notes with deeply woody and leathery. That's what I'm smelling. Leathery. Oh, now I sniffed it again and it's a different scent. This is the weirdest thing in a good way. The weirdest thing I've ever sampled in my life. It is the most interesting perfume I've ever sampled in my life. Thank you for sending me this. Oh, I don't think she watches my channel, but I'm gonna give her my personal thanks. I'm gonna send her a DM and text message and tell her that this was a very nice choice. It smells better with time. So that is my, I'm looking around to see if I missed anything. No, I didn't miss anything. That was my haul for today. Really nice, very happy. I'm so happy that I was able to get these things. Again, if there's anything in particular that you want me to review or test out or film about, please let me know in the comments. But I am going to choose a few things little by little, because I don't want to do everything in one video because it'll be too overwhelming. So I'm going to choose a couple of items in one video and a couple of items in another video. But let me know what you guys want to see first. and I will do those first, because you know, I do these videos for me because I enjoy them and I have fun and I love doing this and I love sharing my experiences with you guys, but my videos are mostly for you, so you guys choose what you want to see. So let me know in the comments below. Any questions or comments, please let me know. I'm going to put the links of everything that I've shown you in this video. I am going to leave the links down below for your convenience. And if you want to continue watching me, I'm going to put some suggested videos at the end. Maybe my previous haul or how I got this look, because this was a full day wear test of a new foundation, new to me foundation and concealer and powder. And spoiler alert, I loved it. But check out that video so you guys know what I'm talking about. This is all I have for you guys today. Thank you for coming by to watch me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done so already, and click on the bell to get notified of future videos. So if there's something you want to see and I make a video of it, unless you have the notification bell on, you won't find out. YouTube won't tell you, so don't forget to click on that bell. So again, thank you for coming by, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.